It's nighttime. I'm out nearby my house. It's pretty dark. As you can tell, I've been hearing a lot of strange noises lately. Can't tell exactly what they are. Just know there's been growling, hissing, and a lot of grunting. Can't tell what the noises are exactly what, but I can guarantee you this much right now. Whatever it is, wherever it is, it ain't safe for mankind. I might have to come back again tomorrow. It doesn't seem to be making any noises tonight. Alright, mate. I'll have to let this one go for now. Sign in again tomorrow. See if I got any new bids on. Okay. Or I might.